It's summer in Gordons Bay, and we thought we'd take a fly around, look around the mountains, see if we can hop over and see how the dam is looking. The weather is fine, not a breeze in the air. It's absolutely lovely up here today. Let's take a look up Dani Milan, going up towards the funicular there. You see in the distance at 45 degrees, getting closer to that. There's a little substation below the waterworks there at Steenbras. Yeah, up we go. Just getting to the top up here gives one a better perspective on the volume and scale of the mountains beyond the horizon that you're normally used to observing from down below there. And far beyond just seeing Gordons Bay and the waterworks, but from up here we got a clear view, normally on a clear day, of Cape Town Table Mountain, looking straight out over beyond Macassar along that fine white sandy beach, typical of Cape Town beaches, this very fine white sand. Of course, it's a privilege to see again those high mountains in the background towards Grabo. But keep in mind the devastation since all the fires recently in the last sort of 10 to 15 years. It's been a continuous destruction of all the pine forests and gum trees that were there. Yes, they are not indigenous, but they haven't been replaced. We're looking towards the dam wall again and the botanical gardens just on the left. Yeah, there's a lot of monitoring there, so it's impossible to get there and to have a look for the public. Sad shame, really. There used to be lovely viewpoints down there as well at the waterworks. Viewpoints right in front of the tower at the waterworks. Now there's no access to that either. Looking at the very well maintained and very drivable roads down below, again, one wishes one had access to that, and if there could be community projects just to plant trees and to maintain this place and make it look good. The council need help. It would be nice if we could contribute in some way. And there's the radio and cellular beacon tower, which you'll see flashing from ground level on a dark night. And a quick closing portrait of our favorite town, Gorgeous Bay. There we are, back to ground zero. Time to prune the trees, take down some of those beans. I'm not going to tell you all my secrets, but you can make Turkish coffee from it if you roast the beans.